Welcome to Modular Naming Service. Let us walk you through how MNS helps you build and manage your Web3 identity and why it matters to you. Here is the homepage of modular.name. Right at the top, in the header, you'll find our main features: reputation, earn, gamification, our referral program, and a quick way to learn about MNS in FAQs. These are all designed to enhance your experience and reward your engagement. Let's start by simply connecting your wallet. We currently support 8 EVM chains, plus Aptos and Movement, so you have broad compatibility from day one. And this is just the beginning. Solana and Tron are on their way, as we're targeting over 70% more networks, ensuring your identity is truly universal. After connecting, you can immediately start searching for your desired name. Our system provides best suggestions, and you can easily filter and sort to find that perfect, unique identity that represents you. Pick the identity that best fits your Web3 presence. Click Claim Identity. Next, you can adjust the registration period to secure your identity for as long as you need. Click plus to increase and minus to decrease it. If you have a voucher or referral code, apply it here for a discount. Review the summary, and with everything clear, you can proceed with claiming your identity. Click Check Availability. Checking may take about 10 seconds. After, click Claim Identity and approve transaction in the connected wallet. Once claimed, you can immediately share your identity on X, or dive deeper by checking your identity details card to see all the information associated with your new Web3 handle.